Okay, who has the latest edit for our demo video?
I do. I added the intro.
Thomas, I just spent 2 hours color grading. You're telling me I didn't do it on the updated file?
Wait, I thought I had the latest version. I added the music.
I haven't even opened Premiere yet.
Did anyone get my Dropbox link?
Yeah, we got the link, but why are there 5 files in it called final version?
Actually, there's 6. I
Oh,
just
what?
made another one.
Oh my god.
Who has the latest version?
Guys, I don't see a single version in the Dropbox anymore.
Did I just delete it?
My guy, what?
1 second. So essentially, none of us know which version of the clip is correct. None of us know how to merge them or add effects. And none of us have even used a video editing software before. But wait. Introducing Timeline. Video editing has always been powerful, but never truly intelligent. Timeline is an AI native video editing agent that understands your creative intent, so you can edit in plain English, version your work like code, and collaborate like a team. In this case, I've asked Timeline to create a sequence and import a clip of my teammate Upar that was used in our demo. Split it at 3 seconds and add a marker saying Upar starts talking. And ask Timeline to also make the first half of the clip black and white, which it executes perfectly. Our agent is truly intelligent and understands natural language. It processes black and white as a change in tint and saturation, which is complicated video jargon. This makes our tool ideal for not just pro editors but even first-time users. I also go on to add transitions in between the clip and make further edits to the second half of the sequence. Let's dive into GitHub for video editing. Here we have another clip of my teammate Yuvna with whom I want to collaborate. I'm going to commit this change exactly like we do on GitHub and push it onto a version control created just for this clip. I've already invited her to my demo project. I also make further changes of opacity, which as shown before, Timeline can handle flawlessly. Even changes made directly in the UI are captured for anyone to collaborate. I again commit and push this opacity change for my teammate Yuvna to review. We can view the history which shows who has created which versions and when.
So I'm going to join the project that Mudit has just shared with me. And I'm also going to join the sequence that he's created. I can look at all of the history of the changes that he's made, and I can also make my own changes using Timeline. In this case, I'm rotating the clip by 30 degrees. And as we can see that the change has been made by Timeline. I can now save these changes and then push it for Mudit to review and edit further.
While Yuvna decided to push her version 3 of changing the rotation onto the sequence, I decided to make my own local change of rotation of 50 degrees. However, in this case, I decided just to save it locally and not push it. I clearly see there's one update available, and when I pull this particular sequence, I see a merge conflict. I have more faith in Yuvna than myself, so I choose her version and move on. As we can see, Timeline put Yuvna and me back in sync with each other.